What are you even saying? Is this Igbo man? Why not they ever get sense? Una wey be Igbo, now they get sense. Why you want go build Anambra house from another person's state? What is even your problem in this country? What is the meaning of Anambra house in Bayelsa State? Tell me from the beginning. Is it have any meaning? You come to do business on one land. Can't you do your business and focus on your business? You must still have a house there. You will go Lagos, go to claim Lagos. You will go here, go to claim here. Go here, go to claim Port Harcourt. Now only when I did this country. Kind of very useless set of people. Job be giving Nigeria stress and problem up and down. Useless set of people. Come here, they come make graphic. If you made that stupid video, you go. I will do video in short very well. Idiot.
This voice note, I want Mr. Justice now send them to me. And I don't get plenty voice notes like that. If I decide to say I want drop album, put them for Spotify, I'm on a stream, and I go listen entire. Mr. Justice, first of all, let me clear you. I am not an Igbo man. I am an Ijo man. And I love say I be Ijo person. If I die today and I get the privilege of coming back to this life and God asks me, say na Nigeria he won't put me. He can ask me, say which tribe I go like come from. I go choose Ijo. I love Ijo. I will love Ijo. I will keep on loving Ijo. So I want to clear the air on something. This project that the Anambra House in Bayelsa State want to do is not a government project, because most of them they write for the comment section say, why will the state governor want to build Anambra House for Anambra people? It is not a project that has been embarked by the state governor of the state government. It is the Anambra community in Bayelsa State through its chairman that deems it fit to say let us have a place where we can have our meeting. That thing is, I've been getting a lot of calls and a lot of voice notes just like that, saying that I am becoming a weapon for tribal war. I'm becoming a weapon that want to cause ethnic crisis in the country because election is coming. I want people's mind to be divided. So that's why I decided to say I'm not talking about this matter, because I have some facts that I want to release out. I have some facts that I want to be out there so that people will know and people will be aware to see and make decisions for themselves. The reason why I'm even talking about this is because I'm using it to advocate for the democratization of prosperity for my Ijo people. I want my Ijo people to be economically strong. That's why I'm doing it. So if you want me to talk more about it, Nigerians have to send security, DSS, army, police to come and protect me, to protect this nuclear weapon, to protect this academic brain box, to protect this crude oil. Except that I'm done. For my place for Ijo, go say Fate, I'm done. I don't talk my own. I don't go. Peace and love.
Igbo mụrụ nze moze kenekwa mụ na ịbụrụ onye Igbo biko asị m ka m kenekwa unu ọzọ. Biko that short video and all those things in eketa. Ihe aka bụkwa na ihe ka na-akpọtụkwa na efele mbọ na-ajụzisi. Ndị be anyị edum na some people na-claim na ha jere akwụkwọ na ha dị very very enlightened in passing information. Edum na mmadụ bute news in a like it. You take your phone, do your research, make your findings, and stop displaying your hatred towards an individual or towards a particular tribe because they like it, or because you felt that na ndị Igbo should take your land. Can you imagine that regarding Anambra House, as in actually na Bayelsa? So this thing is so common for a lot of people now marry the thing. If even at this video, because kabakwana use kene your Google. Search ya jukene Google biko do. I'm not here in a Google neighbor. Man, can use a trend here online. You know, a good analyst will come out and give their own thoughts. That is why it's there for research. Apart from Google, you check your Google. There are so many sites in there that have talked about that particular issue that you have to click on. Google just they can know batamoto. Okay, nda neje ahonko, nda neje afigwe, nda neje baso. Manunu nine no fumota. This is what I am trying for people to understand. Oh, hey, man, you know, labor today, no, when I'm making now voice out. Anambra House proposal to actually Luna Bayelsa Ijo, biko nu ndị Ijo, biko nu ndị Bayelsa, what will it cost you to use your phone and Google to find out that this thing is not a verified government project? It is not even a government project to start with. This is an individual that came together and said, okay, now hallelujah. In doing so, enwekwala Edo house. Enwekwala Edo house. Name such environment. Man, they did not see anything bad in Edo house. So see happily that special interest in Anambra house. Getting this that natural in Alaha. Nanda Anambra should be claim a portion in their land, that they want their government are collaborating with Anambra State people in order to give us their land. Biko no nwejokwa no do munnem ebe obuni no nenem. Biko enwele ka such project is a government initiated project. It spread the bad news, it spread the wrong information, misinformation about Ndi Igbo is as easy as ABC because hama no ya fly. Afunu be mgbe ha jepụtasị na ndị Hausa na-emekwa ha nka, na ndị Hausa na-egbukwa ndị otu a, na ndị Hausa such thing video ha na-mewe na East or such modern place I ata again na no ndị Igbo ka na-egbu. By that time ha ekwete na ha bụ ndị Igbo. No, ka anyị gwa onwe anyị eziokwu, ọnụ ihe dịka ka isi wee nwee something like insecurity today na such areas, ha ekwete na ha bụ ndị Igbo. No Igbo ka na-egbu, ifu ndị Igbo bulu dị okwu n'isi asị yes na ụmụ nwanne anyị na-egbu ndị Igbo na-egbu, mana kịta ndị na-eme meeting a group of people pụta ka ha sị ka ha jikọọ aka ọnụ ka ha lụọ project. Because mgbe m bido check medicine wee for that na it is not about the project though. It is about the money they involve. I said that in that project will cost roughly 150 million. So ha wee gbakọsị Jesus. So n'ụdị ego ndị Igbo na-generate ụdị ego na-abịa ha. Na ndị Igbo na-generate ụdị ego na-abịa ha. Ha wee nụ gịnị wee na-agbago some of their youth that are supposed to wisen up, actually wise up. So ha wee decided to pour out their anger upon ndị Igbo. Onwego mgbe m video say na ndị kwugo m severally. Asịgo m na for being an Igbo person alone, so n'Igbo onye Igbo, you already a problem. The system is already against you. Because all are very, very easier. Ibugali a propaganda against you. Kalia Ibugali a propaganda against Onya Hausa. Kalia Ibugali a propaganda against any other tribe. Mana onye ha na-asị gị na ọ bụrụ onye Igbo today, onye ha na-asị gị na ọ bụ onye Ijo, na ọ bụ onye Bayelsa, na ọ bụ onye nka, na ọ bụ onye Ikwere, na ọ bụ onye nka. Kpọrọ onye ahụ gbago Kano, gbago Sokoto, gbada Niger State, gbago any other northern part of Nigeria. Automatically ntu onye Hausa onye ahụ isa n'Inyamiri. Onye ahụ abụrụgo a typical onye Inyamiri. Onwedị onye nwere gị na onye Hausa chọrọ dị mma. Even to the extent that in video go na Buhari regarded these people as ndị Igbo. Asari Dokubo regarded them as ndị Igbo. So what then is now the problem? No research, nothing, not to just know or do not come be abonie the hatred ha nwere ebe ndị Igbo. They decide to capitalize on this thing. Because this thing ekwesịghị iliju afọ, mana some group of people are beginning to ride upon it ka we nwee again achieve their political and selfish desires or to exercise their personal grievances against ndị Igbo. Maybe by personal hurt, by societal hurt, or maybe by hearsay. By hearsay, this is what they said. This is what they say. Manego Jonya, his personal encounter with ndị Igbo, or that these people are peace-loving people and they are good people. Then why joining the circle in pushing a narrative against these people? It's unfair. It's very, very unfair.